Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, I'm gonna teach you guys how to reach across one side and pick up your phone and talk while magically my hand shows up right there. It's kinda cool. The first thing that you need to know is to set your item over here. Just put it over there because it's very important that it's there so you can pick it up. But I need it over here. No, you don't. You will, but not right now, okay? Also, there's a very set, defined, clear line right here. This is where we're gonna put a mask, okay? And then, after we're done with this first clip, what we're gonna do is we're gonna set this over here, and then we're gonna move both me and the chair off screen, and I'm gonna reach over the same speed and pick up just like I'm gonna do over there. So I have to do the same motion and the same speed as I did over there. And then we'll go into Premiere Pro and we'll match them up and it'll be awesome. All right, here goes. Careful not to move any of this. Keep the camera rolling. All right, so what I'm doing is I'm setting up my chair just off screen here, so I can't see what's going on there. And then when I'm ready, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna reach over and pick up my phone. And then I'm gonna set that back down and I'm gonna do it again. And I did it at just a different speed than I did the first time, because that way I have a better chance of getting the same speed. And the reason I'm sitting in this chair is because I want to get the same angle with my arm, because I don't want to be standing up, because now my arm's coming down versus here where my arm's going across. That's very important to know. So when we reach across, we keep that same angle, but all I'm really doing is reaching right there, okay? And then another important thing is this much of my arm went off the screen. So in my video, I want to make sure that I only have that much of my arm coming into the video. Make sense? Yeah, it's pretty cool. All right, we'll see you in the studio, in the editing bay. Bye. All right, the first thing that we do is once our SD card is put into our computer, we are going to create a new folder. We're going to call this Reach Through. And we're going to open up Premiere and we're going to save our file in there. But while that's working, we're going to open up our SD card, go to DCIM. It's always the last numbered folder. And we're going to scroll down to the bottom. And here is my 3-minute and 30-second video clip. So I'm going to take that and I'm going to move that and put that into Reach Through, into my folder. We're going to go back to Premiere Pro. And we're going to click New Project. We're going to change the location of it. Choose the location. We're going to go Desktop. And in that folder, Reach Through. And we're going to click Choose. And we're going to title this project Reach Through. And we're going to click Create. Okay. So what that does is that creates our video project here. And sometimes what you accidentally do is you'll accidentally close something. You'll be like, I need to get that back. Don't worry, just go up to Window, down to Workspaces, and then over to Reset to Saved Layout. And that'll bring everything back to normal. Okay, importing my media, I double click, and I can go to my desktop in the folder Reach Through, click on my clip, and import it. And then I can just click that and drag it straight over, and that automatically starts my timeline. Okay, so now what we need to do is record our clip. And then we're going to cut it and mix it all and match it all up together. So here goes. We're just going to play it through. Actually, we're going to... Here goes. No, that's stupid. All right, I'm going to cut off this first part because I don't need that. Hey, what's up, guys? In today's video, I'm going to teach you guys how to reach across one side and pick up your phone and talk while magically my hand shows up right there. It's kind of cool. All right, so that's what we did right there. So now that we've got that, we're going to cut that clip because that's going to be separate. And we need to scrub forward. The first thing that you need to know is and all right, now I've moved over there. All right, so I just reached it. We're going to go back. All right, so I'm going to cut that right there. I'm going to get rid of this for now. We're going to move that over, and we're going to hit play. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to reach over and pick up my phone. All right, that was good. That was good. Now I did it again. Next second, and move it in. All right, go back a few frames. All right, we're going to cut it again. Hit play. All right, and we're going to cut that again. So we've got everything that we need. So we don't need that one. We don't need that one. We can hit A, click, move everything to the front. And then let's bring this guy up. And we don't need the audio there, so we're going to hit Command L, click on the audio, get rid of that. Click on this clip, hit Command L, unlinks the audio, click on that, delete that. All right, and then we're going to move this over. Put your phone and we're going to bring this over as well. All right, then we can zoom in, hitting plus. And all right, so where do I reach? Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, I'm going to teach you guys how to reach across. All right, right here is where I'm about to, reach across the screen. So now I need to find out here. Oh, I hit the letter I. That kind of saves my place. It's an input. So now I have to find out where here. All right, this is where my hand's about to reach across. So we're going to click that. We're going to get rid of that part. We're going to move this over. All right, and then as we play back through, I'm going to disappear. Ah, what? No. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to put a mask on this clip right here. So with that selected, nothing showing up here. So I can go to Window, down to Effect Controls. That brings it back up. I'll go to Opacity, click on my pen tool, and all I really need is a path that goes right here. I'm actually going to scale that down just a bit. And click that, and now I am back. So as we come back down here, and as we go forward, my arm is a little ahead of itself. So we're going to want to do something about that. All right, so there's the first one. So let's give the second one a try and see how we do there. So we're going to bring this one up, bring it over. All right, let's find that same thing. Teach you guys how to reach across. All right, so let's cut that clip there. Get rid of the first one. Move this one over to the beginning. Perfect. And then we'll click on that and create a mask. Oh, right. You got to have your playhead above that right there. So we'll just click on our pen tool. Click, 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 and back on the first one. Now both of them are there. And click back here and scrub through it. All right, so that one I like a lot better. So I'm gonna get rid of this one. Just put it over here for now. I'll bring this one straight down. Actually, I'm going to leave it right there because I don't want it to move. Okay, here it goes. Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, I'm going to teach you guys how to reach across one side and pick up your phone and talk while magically my hand shows up right there. Okay, that's perfect. Okay, but you're going to say, the phone just magically appeared. Yeah, it did. But here's what we do, is we bring our playhead here. All right, we're going to hide the bottom one. I should have done this first. And we go back a frame, and we click on this. And we take our mask, and we're going to delete it momentarily. And we're going to screenshot this. We're going to export the frame. Dun, dun, dun. All right, it's going to go into our desktop. Okay. Then we're going to hit Command Z, and we're going to bring that back. And we're going to bring back our bottom one there. And then we're going to come in our screen, our desktop, and we're going to bring in an image. And we're going to put that from the bottom all the way up until the beginning of our clip there. Okay. But then what we also have to do is we also have to bring that back up, and we have to put a mask on this one as well. So we're going to click on that clip, create a mask, because what that does is that shows that our phone is there. All right, now let's go back and watch it through. Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, I'm going to teach you guys how to reach across one side and pick up your phone and talk while magically my hand shows up right there. It's kind of cool. All right. It's kind of cool. All right. So that's a success. We did it. We did it. That is how we do it. So the reason that we took a screenshot there is because it shows the phone in the exact same spot. And then we stop it right here at the beginning of this clip, because the beginning of this clip right here is where the phone actually is. So the end of this and the beginning of this clip are the exact same. And then if we were to keep this extended longer, here's what happens. Reach across one side and pick up your phone. Well, in theory, hold on. Let me extend it just a little bit further. So what happens is to reach across one side and pick up your phone would then reappear because it's being seen underneath there, and we don't want that to happen. So I guess it can, as long as it's underneath anywhere on that clip, then you're good to go. But I like to have mine very sequential. Here's the first thing. Next step, you do this one. All right. And that's all there is to it.